at camp out in Anza Borrego, and testing out the new solar panel that I received, and also Virgil. This is the Lenson solar panel. This is a 90 watt. So I installed mine right before LA Auto Show, so I didn't have time to make a video of it. And to install the solar panel, I had to clay bar the hood to clean it off, and then using soapy water I sprayed the hood, and then I applied the vinyl wrap that is underneath the solar panel. So once the vinyl wrap is applied, you go ahead and take the solar panel and apply the 3M VHB tape underneath the panel, and then you line it up on the vinyl wrap. And once you got it where you want it placed, you peel the red backing of the VHB tape, and it'll stick to the hood. And that's how it's mounted. I went ahead and ran the wire along the underneath the frame of the vehicle and tie it into the Red Arc Electronics Manager 30. And currently I am pulling in about 2.2 amps from a 90 watt solar panel. If the sun, I mean, it's shining pretty good, but if it was hotter, maybe this summer, and it was kind of directly above, I'd probably see around 5 amps. But that's what it looks like. And this one belongs to Team Battle Trails, Virgil. There you go. Lenson Solar. If you're interested in the solar panel, click the link in the description below, and you'll get a discount code. What's the discount code, Verge? No, SBW. What's the percentage? Hey, yeah, you got to use mine, not Virgil's.
Okay. SBW.
What's the percentage?
5%.
5% discount.
Better than nothing.
SBW discount code.
And Team Battle TM BTL. If you're feeling generous.
Yeah.